Meaning of firmware.
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 Firmware. Firmware refers to the software that is embedded in electronic devices and is responsible for controlling the device's functionality. It is typically stored in non-volatile memory, such as flash memory, and is designed to be retained even when the device is powered off. Firmware cannot be easily modified by the end user and requires special tools and procedures to update. It is essential for the proper functioning of electronic devices, as it provides the low-level control necessary for the hardware components to function correctly.